Good morning, Year 3. Oh, look at the time. It's quiz time. So what can we expect from the quiz? Well, there'll be a range of different sentence types. There will be some question sentences. Harry, have you brushed your teeth yet? Some statement sentences. There is a cup on the table. Exclamation sentences. What a divine piece of carpentry. And command sentences. Brush your teeth. There will also be some investigative work where you must decide whether the sentences are right, wrong, or whether something just needs adding to them. Okay, so I thought we'd just run through each of the 4 sentence types very, very quickly whilst I'm here at the board. So to begin with, a command is a clear instruction. It's the kind of thing that you find in IKEA instruction packs. Okay, so things like a command would be turn the key, ending with a full stop. Okay, so there's nothing particularly exciting or overcomplicated about it. The one that I used before was brush your teeth, quite sternly. So turn the key, brush your teeth, tuck in your chair, all of them with a full stop at the end, giving a command. A question needs a question sentence contains a question. Would you like a cup of tea? What is your name? Etc. Okay? An exclamation sentence. This is quite an excitable sentence, okay, which contains an exclamation mark. That's why it's an exclamation sentence. So, these sentences begin with either how or what. So we could say, what a lovely day. Whee! Or we could say, how wonderful it is to see you. Whee! Both of those are exclamation sentences, but it's the punctuation that's the big giveaway for those. And finally, a statement. A statement is a simple sentence where we are just explaining something. You know, the one that I gave earlier was quite a boring statement. The cup is on the table, but it was a statement. Okay? You could give a statement about what time you woke up in the morning. I woke up at 7 a.m. That's a statement. I'm sure lots of you are sat down whilst you're watching this. A statement about that would be, I am sat on my chair. Okay, Year 3, can you pause the video for me now? And with your learning partner, I want you to practice each of those 4 different sentence types. So say aloud a command sentence, a question sentence, an exclamation sentence, and a statement sentence. And as you're doing so, see if you can remember the noisy punctuation that we practiced at the start of the week. So we had capital letter, full stop, comma, question mark, and exclamation mark. Whee! So we're just going to talk about how to actually access the quiz itself. So first of all, open up a new page on your browser, start typing in Spelling Shed. I'm sure it will come up like it has done for me. Then go across and sign in. If you need to input your login details, do so. Some of you might have saved them already to save yourself some time. When the page opens up onto EdShed, you can see if we go to the top of the page, we go across, you've got Math Shed, you've got Spelling Shed, but you've also got Quiz Shed. If you click on Quiz Shed, that will open up, go down, and within your assignments is today's quiz. Something else that I thought I'd highlight as well is the fact that when you are working through the questions, at the very top of the screen, there is a yellow bar that moves across the screen. Now, don't worry about this. It's not timed at all. I'm not entirely sure why it's on there, but it is. So please don't panic and think I need to input my answer before it gets to the other side of the page. It won't affect your score. And as you can see in this video, I let it go all the way down and it doesn't affect it whatsoever. Okay, so take your time. I want you to discuss each question with your learning partner and say, well, I know it can't be that one because that's a question sentence. I know it can't be that one because that's a command sentence, etc. And just like I've done, if you make a mistake, pause, analyze it, because it will tell you, it will say incorrect, and then I want you to have that conversation at home as to why it is incorrect. And then we learn from our mistakes then. We say, oh, I see now, it should have been this one because this is a... Okay, so don't just skip ahead onto the next one. Analyze what you've done, whether it's correct or incorrect. How did we get on? I will be logging on to EdShed myself very, very soon to see how each of you got on. Well done for accessing it, and actually that brings to a close our writing for this week. I've got to say a huge well done to you as a collective Year 3. Some of the quality of work that we have seen throughout the week on the Year 3 email has been fantastic, and myself, Miss Cole, Mr. Preston and Miss Hare are so pleased with the amount of effort that you're putting into your home learning. Well done, keep it up, enjoy your weekend, you deserve a good rest, ready to hit the ground running again on Monday. Before we go, let's have a bit of a montage about some of the wonderful work that you've been sending in to us. See you next week.
Help